Hey, so you're looking for ways to make money online and you're looking for the top MLM companies and the top, network marketing companies to grow a business online and actually make money online because you want to earn some money online with everything that's going on right now. And I was the same way a couple years ago. I was $87,000 in debt. I didn't know what I was going to do. I was stressed. I was depressed. And I just needed help. I needed assistance. I needed somebody to actually, reach out their hand and give me some help. I didn't know what I was going to do to get out of my situation. And I came across some mentors that showed me a concept of how I could make money online and take my business from offline to online and start getting results. And that's why you see me on the leaderboards right now. Ever since I took my business, from offline to online, I've been getting results and I've been able to build a brand online and keep it going through videos and through, paid, paid traffic methods. And I use tools. I use tools to help me to grow my business like this one right here, because this product is actually a learning product, but it also has a funnel builder, which actually is how you're going to retain your leads, because your email list is going to be your most powerful asset. When you have an email list, it doesn't matter what kind of advertising you use. You could always use your email list as a form of advertising. Whenever you have a sales funnel set up, the leads, the people go to the capture page and they want to find out more ways to build their business online. For example, they put in their email. When they put in their email, it takes them to a sales page. On the sales page, they see a video like the one you see in front of me. They can watch it and they can buy by clicking on the button below this. So this actual website was actually built off of this funnel builder, which is amazing. It's so well put together, this website. So it shows you the first 3 steps to build any business. Then it tells you about the funnel builder and how to actually set up your domain with your autoresponder. And then after that, you're going to learn how to actually use the funnel builder and create custom pages. And then you're going to learn how to optimize for mobile. You're going to learn how to do custom pixels for tracking. So you're going to know your numbers. You're going to know how to do the URL redirects, which is basically if you want to send your traffic somewhere else, you're going to know how to do that. You're also going to know how to do share funnels and also track your leads within the builder. And you're going to want to know how to create your own products. If you ever sell your own products or your own courses as a coach, you're going to want to know how to sell your own products. This teaches you that, right? And then you could have an upsell and a downsell in the funnel. An upsell is whenever you sell something and then they buy something else. That's called an upsell. A downsell is if you offer something within the funnel and they don't buy, you give them something else that they could get, in exchange for a lower value, right? And then you might possibly make a sale. So you're going to know how to do a membership site, as a marketer, because these things are important, so you'll know how to do your membership site, and you'll also know how to book your appointments. And hold on one second. Okay, so you'll know how to book your appointments, you'll know how to create graphics, and you'll know how to do different things like email marketing, and also you'll know how to create your own, website if you want to do that. And then you can always get coaching too. We have live coaching for the funnel builder. And this is only, $25 a month, which is very, very inexpensive compared to something like ClickFunnels, which is $297, right? This is very inexpensive when it comes to price and everything like that. But I wanted more. I wanted to actually be able to learn about traffic and conversion, so I upgraded. And here's what I get for the traffic portion, and it gives me $100 more in commissions, which is really, really cool. So is what I have for here is actually pre-traffic methods. So it's the big picture. It's how to find your target market, and how to create your lead magnet. So you'll know exactly who you're targeting, and then you'll have a lead magnet to actually attract the right people and give them something of value in exchange for their email. So that's what that is. And then you'll learn about free methods. So the first thing you need to know is how to launch your business, and then you're going to know how to invite people, and then you're going to know the seeds of following up and how to follow up the right way. And then blogging, if you want to learn, blogging, you can learn blogging. If you want to learn how to rank your videos on YouTube, like you see mine, in the top of the search engines, you're going to actually know how to do that. You're going to know podcasting. If you want to learn podcasting, you're also going to know how to do LinkedIn as a way to get leads, and also Facebook video and Facebook Live Mastery and paid advertising as well. And you're going to know how to launch your product whenever you have it, right? So it's very cool because you learn all this stuff, right? And then whenever you want to learn the paid methods, you can learn solo ads, you can learn Facebook ads, or you can learn Facebook video ads, whichever you prefer, right? And then for conversions, you're going to know how to close your leads. You're going to know the insider secrets of conversions, and you're going to know how to get people started the right way, like the onboarding process, how to actually do it, which is very important because people get lost when they come into opportunities. So that'll give you an extra $100 a month on top of the $20 a month. So you're making $120 a month per sign up per month. And then they have a course in here which teaches you all about your finances and how to manage your business. So you're going to learn how to eliminate your debt, and then you're going to learn about your finances and how to pay less in taxes, because when you start making money, you don't want to pay all your money to taxes. So you're going to learn how to actually structure your business in a way and keep your books and records together, so that way you get the most out of your business and don't have to pay it all in taxes. And then there's other, strategies here for when you start making money, and you can invest it in property and assets, so that way you're not paying it in taxes. When you have assets, you don't have to pay it in taxes, right? Because it's considered a debt, but it's really an asset to you because you just bought a piece of property to actually flip and do that. So this teaches you all about property and stuff like that. So that's what this has, and that gives you a $400 commission. That's a one-time buy. You don't have to buy that, monthly. That's just a one-time buy. You're going to learn all this, and it's amazing because you can make over $500 per sign-up, which is really, really cool. So when you get started with me, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you how to get at least 1,000 leads per month to see the opportunity or any opportunity. And I'm going to actually buy you a license for traffic, so that way you could get an abundance of traffic and always have wholesale traffic, at your fingertips. So that's what I'm going to do when you get started with me, is you're going to have quality traffic that's going to come and see your offer or see whatever you have, and you're going to be building your list, and I'm going to help you to build your list. So I want you to be successful, and I want you to be on the leaderboard too, and I want you to actually have results. So it doesn't matter what you're currently promoting. If you're promoting a network marketing opportunity or an affiliate marketing opportunity, or you're just looking for the top companies in network marketing or affiliate marketing, this is definitely for you, and it will help you. It will give you the skills and the education to grow your business online. So click on that link below this video and get started today, and also get in the Facebook group to where I could work with you one-on-one. All right? I appreciate you watching the video, and I'll talk to you soon.